Guys, do you know guys, Scary Larry it's back. And I'm scared. Good thing my noob account it's noob. It's bacon, but my other account it's pro. I'm scared so I change it into noob. Please guys, change your avatar into noob.